Hello everyone! I'm sharing with you today the free Reels app where you can watch short stories or short reels at the same time you're earning. So ayan, katulad po niyan, I already have 32 pesos. Diba? Sino naman nagbibigay sa atin ng piso or dos ng libre? At least ito, nanonood ka na at the same time ay nag-earn ka pa. So, pwede nyo po ito i-download. Free lang naman po yan. So, nalagay ko po sa description yung link. Anytime, pwede nyo po siya i-download po. So, you can start earning po. Yan, you just have to watch daily watch, and then you have meal records also, and then meron ding mga ads katulad nito, meals yan, so breakfast, lunch, and through watching videos you can earn additional aside doon sa na-earn mo. So additional earning din yung manood ng videos. So yun, so since nanonood din kayo ng short reels, malaking tulong po ito. So what are you waiting for? Watch na po kayo, or download na po kayo ng free reels so that you can earn at the same time ma-enjoy nyo rin po yung mga stories. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So sa susunod, baka may mga tutorial din tayo na may mga earnings na app para naman po ma-share ko sa inyo. Diba? Kahit pa unti-unti, may earning ka. Yeah, ganito lang pa talaga siya. May mga ads. But these ads, actually in one day, you can watch 15 ads. And each ad ay may earning po actually. So, maganda pong subukan nyo ito. So, try this app, guys. The free Reels app.